Welcome back. It is that time of the month again for a favorites video. So I'm going to be doing a July favorites video. I asked on Instagram if you guys liked my June favorites video, and so many people really wanted a July favorites video. Plus I have so many favorites and they're so different from last month. Still nail related, but it's completely different. Like the types of products that were my favorite this month were different from last month for sure. So I'm really excited to share that video with you guys, and then stay tuned at the end of this video because I'll be announcing the Candi skincare giveaway winner that I launched a couple days ago. So to get started, as you're seeing, are these glow swatch sticks by Revel Nail. Revel Nail showcased their glow collection. It's a brand new collection. They never carried glows before, and it came out with 12 colors. And I actually have a few that are my favorite, and I put them to the side so you guys get to see which ones are my favorite. So I have 5 favorites in this collection, and it's no surprise that they're like pinks, blues, whites, and nudes. That's like really my thing. That's what I like. One that is a little like not my style, but I really loved it, is Magic. It's a purple, and everybody for the most part knows that I don't like purple, but this one is just really gorgeous. There's something about it that I love that, I don't know, it's just something that the other ones don't have. So there's actually 12 colors, and for some reason I'm missing a swatch stick somewhere. I could not find it. I tried finding it before I started recording this video, but one of the 12 colors is not here. So this is actually an ombre that I did recently for a mani, and I used Magic on the top. That's probably why I love it so much, is because I got to use it for this ombre. And then I used the color Ignite in the middle. It's an orange reddy glitter, very gorgeous. And then I used Torch, which is an orange, which I didn't think I would like, but it looked really great for this ombre fade that I ended up doing. So like, it's a really Halloween-y orange if you ask me. So I was like, oh, I'm not gonna like it because look, this is Halloween. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. But my favorites, oh, and that's another thing, I could not find the jar of electric. I have so many jars everywhere. I need to get my organization under control, but we're working on that. So yeah, there's actually 6 of the 12 colors that I lean towards. So Afterglow is a beautiful nude that glows, I want to say like a bluish purple. And then I love Glimmer. There's something about Glimmer that I wish I could put this on my nails every single day. It's so beautiful. It has a very subtle like blue glitter on the bottom, or not on the bottom, on the top obviously. And then Magic, I just explained to you. Kindle is beautiful. It's like that Barbie pink, like pop in your face pink, and look at it glow. And then my top favorite is Illuminate, and I wore that for my first glow mani. I love it so much because it glows like this turquoise blue, and I love turquoise. So a white that's just like classy, simple, you don't have to go too far with it, and it just glows this beautiful blue. Guys, I love this color. Like, that's why I wore it first. And then the jar of electric that I could not find, that teal, it's screaming my name. I really love this color, and I have a plan for this when we get closer to fall. So I'm gonna put the glows away, but I could go on and on and on and on and on all day about their glows. I'm very impressed with the glows that they came out with. So I'm putting it all away. So another one where I couldn't find the swatch, and it's funny because I was touching it earlier, it's probably in my living room, is this color has been out for a while by Sparkle & Co. It is SB41 Party Gras Clear. So if you know me, I don't like Party Gras. The regular version with the black base, I don't like it to save my life. I sold it when I got it, and I'm going to insert a swatch here for you guys. This color is gorgeous. So I think it's just the base color that I didn't like, but I love the clear version so much. I was like, okay, when they opened up and released this color clear and put it on the secret menu, I ran to go grab it because I was super excited about it. Another thing, obviously, while we're still on the Sparkle & Co. train, Sparkle & Co. always has their beautiful monthly sub bags, and I showed you guys on my Instagram just me unboxing the July sub bag by Sparkle & Co. And I showed you guys the colors that came in it. But if I had to pick a favorite, it would probably be SB62. Not probably, it is. It is SB62. I am so mesmerized by this color. It is absolutely stunning. But if I had to pick a second favorite, because like, okay, just picking just one out of the, how many colors did I get? Like 6 or 7? 3, 6... Oh, 9. I got 9 colors. So if I was going to pick a second favorite, it would be SG138 Beach Babe, which is a gel color. And you guys know I use gel, polish, dip, the whole 9 yards. Because look at how well they pair together. So SG138 is a gorgeous corally pink, and I think it is a beautiful pink to go for summer. It's very bright. It's very vibrant. And I just love that that color is just, like, look how it pairs with this gel. Or this gel. Like, she really put so much thought into how this whole collection came together, and those two are definitely my favorite. So yes, I love the sub bag too itself. It's gorgeous, like flamingos, everything. All right, so I know this is not a fan favorite, but it is one of my favorite. It is July 2019 Gift of Revel. It is a poppin' green. I love everything about this color, and I haven't worn it yet. I'm still trying to decide how I would want to wear this because it is really, really green. Like, even if I don't wear it as like a full-fledged like green manicure, it just, I just think of a margarita, and I love margaritas, and I love things that make me think of food and drinks. Yes, so I love this one. Totally in my top for this month. So we're gonna move on to another thing that I got this month. So a MoYou London stamping plate. Surprise, surprise, I love MoYou London. And guess what? It's a cat lady plate. Look at those designs. So a lot of the stuff I'm showing is not necessarily just like brand new to the market, but this one has a space cat, just cats walking. This is a birthday cat, so I should wear that next year for my cat's birthday. There's an avocado cat. More space cat. Oh, cat. I just love it. You are perfect. Yes. I love my cats. If you know my cats, I adore the hell out of them. They're my whole life, my little babies. So yeah, I just love all the cat stuff. So that brings me to the next thing I'm going to show you when it comes to cats is, guess what I got? I shopped at the Flamingo Nail Lady. Yes, that's her name, or her shop name. So I went crazy. I went, well, $25 crazy, but her stuff is so cheap. I found a bunch of like nail wraps, and I kind of went a little crazy on the cat stuff. I think I have a few more somewhere, but I'm totally about these cat nail wraps. Like, look at the little face and the tail. I just like how they kind of like match and they're not identical. But you can just like wear one as an accent, because you guys know I love my dip powder, so I need it for my strength. I could wear one as an accent over my dip powder or something like that. Look at the paw points. Oh, yes. So I bought a bunch of her nail wraps, and then I looked through them, and these are actually my favorites. Out of all the ones I got, these are my favorites. So I love this one. This is like a tealish color, a deep teal with apples and like little stones on the teal or the apple. So I thought that was really, really cute, and soon I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use nail wraps over your dip powder and encapsulating them. So don't worry, I'm going to show you guys that. And I just love this. This is like the perfect design for fall. Like that rusty, muddy, like burgundy, but it's not too deep, but it's also not too purple. And the flowers and the gold is just super gorgeous for fall. And then this, she actually has toe wraps too, which I thought was really cute and unique. So I got this watermelon / pineapple toe wrap kit, and I don't know, I haven't put them on my toes yet, but I'm excited to see what they look like. I just don't like showing the internet my feet. But if you like toe wraps, or you like to keep your toes cute, check her stuff out. I think you'll think a lot of her stuff is cute. And again, if everything that I'm going to mention here, I'm going to link it in the description below for you guys. So my next thing, speaking of fall, are glitter. This is glitter. This is not even dip powder. I bought these from Mama Boss glitters, and they're kind of expensive if you ask me for glitter, but it's not just regular glitter, it's actually cut out shaped glitter. So then that justified the price of the glitter for me. So this is super duper cute. These fall leaves, I'm going to encapsulate these. I'm definitely going to be using a lot of these for this fall. And then here's these red candy apples. Like, I'm feeling this for September vibes for a manicure, which is coming up very soon. So this one came in a 1 ounce. This came in a 1/2 ounce. I don't know why there's size differences and price differences with the sizes, but then again, I think this one's more intricate to cut out because it's 3 or 4 different colors and this is just 1 color. But I'm super excited. I looked at the whole website and these called my name, but she has some bats too, and I think those are super cute. Moving on to my next favorite thing. So I want to go back to the Flamingo nail lady because apparently I'm so excited about this. Candi Skincare has collaborated with the Flamingo nail lady to do an exclusive scent every single month. So this is called Flamingo Candy, hence Flamingo nail lady and Cuticle Candy, the skin cream. It's obviously her cream is, I've been using it, guys, like I'm not even ashamed. I have this on my nightstand. It smells so freaking good. Literally, like I just opened that up and I got a whiff and I'm drooling right now. It smells so good. Her stuff is very fluffy. It's very airy. It's just so delicious. And then also, if you're not into like the nail wrap scene and you don't want to wait up for her live videos, Candi Skincare actually released a subscription, which is for, this is a 4 ounce jar. She released a subscription that has obviously her cuticle oil, her cuticle pens. She added her cream to her subscription and I signed up for it. So I'm excited to see what her monthly subscription scent smells like. I should be getting it within the next week or so. Yes, I'm excited for the new Candi Skincare subscription. So I think this is really like my last favorite thing that I'm going to, and I can't really say it's a favorite yet. I love it for its value. I haven't played around with the stuff yet, so I can't for sure say if I love everything that came in it. So let me just set this up real quick. If you haven't noticed by the name, it's Moguls. Yes. So this is a $45 kit, I believe. Yeah, I'm still going. There's more. Yep, a lot more. Still going. Not done yet. More of it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let me pan out for you guys for a second. This is a $45 kit by Moguls. I believe it's $45. I'm going to put it all in the description below. It comes with so much. The value of it, I was just blown away. I was looking at the website and I was like, wait, is this right? Why is there so much? Why is there so much product in a kit for such an affordable price? So I'm not going to give you guys a review. I'm actually going to do a whole unboxing and first impressions on all the products that come in this, and I'm going to be doing a liquids review separately from that video for the Moguls liquids and all that stuff. This is just so much for $45. So you get 3 1 ounce jars of your color choosing. You get a 1/2 ounce jar of Glitterama, which is an expensive glitter. So if you know anything about Glitterama, you know that it is expensive. So let me show you guys. It is just glitter. And I actually have 2 jars of Glitterama because I placed an order previously for her 2-in-1 hollow and Glitterama for in a 1 ounce size like a couple months ago. So if you get the kit, you get a 1/2 ounce of it. So I would recommend, if you're shopping and you're already grabbing stuff, to get her kit with 3 powders, Glitterama, liquids, tools. She threw in some like nail files, which I love these to go around like my cuticle area before I put on like my top coat. She put in one of these Cunima Stone cuticle pushers. I love this kind of stuff. And then if you guys know me, you guys know that I use these little tiny orange. I use orange ones, buffing blocks. I love that these come in white. So I wonder where she gets these because I use these in orange on Amazon. And then she threw in her activator, which comes in a spray bottle. So that's awesome if you don't want, if you're like, I don't really know what the purpose of that is, but I know that there were some perks to it. And then this is a cute little silicone-like cuticle pusher. I guess it's good for cleaning up your cuticle area, especially if you're playing with gel. And then, so I'm going to move those to the side, back in my box. And she threw in a Hydration Therapy Organic Pineapple Cuticle Oil. I haven't smelled this yet, but a lot of people said it smelled good. I'm going to leave that for my unboxing, like full-fledged Mini Moguls video that I'm going to do. And then here's her base coat, her activators in a clear bottle, which I appreciate so much. You have no idea. And then top coat. So if you guys know me, you know I love liquids in opaque bottles more than I love liquids in clear bottles. But that doesn't mean clear bottle ones suck. It just seems to be that opaque bottles seem to preserve the liquid better. I don't know if there's like an actual science to that. That's just what I've noticed from using all these different brands. And then she had a no cleanse top coat. Like, the no wipe top coats from other brands range from like $7 to $10 to $15. So for a kit to be $45 with everything I just showed you, yes, I'm here for it. I'm loving it. I'm totally about this kit. I can't wait to bring that video to you guys. So with that being said, I think that's everything that was like literally on my favorites list for July. And I'm already getting mail from the orders I placed in August. I'm super excited. I'm already keeping a list of all the things I love for August. So if you guys really like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Just like the video, subscribe to my channel if you really like the content I'm putting out. And make sure to leave a comment below on things that you think I should try or things that were your favorites for July, because I totally want to hear about the happy mail that you got that you absolutely love. Alright, you guys, it's time to select a giveaway winner. So, a little backstory, I just reached 1,000 subscribers on this channel. I just want to thank you guys so much. So that's such a big deal to me, and I'm super excited to have you guys here and watching and participating in the giveaway. And like, I feel like the Candi skincare is like a little way that I can give back something that's like one of my most ultimate favorite nail products that's literally changed my mani, I don't want to say mani game, but like really like I look at them and I'm not ashamed. Okay, so I have the video pulled up here and I'm loading all the comments for you guys. And I don't even know how many comments there were. They're in the 80s or something like that. So I'm just going to scroll and pick a winner. Alright, so I just put my finger on this one. It's Carter61110. Her comment said, "When my friend Kate first introduced me to dipping, I saw your name pop up in many Facebook groups she added me to. I fell in love with your style. I immediately followed you on every platform I could find you on. I always look forward to your posts, and I have been dipping for several months now and have been dying to try cuticle candy. This could be your chance to get me hooked. Keep being amazing, Carole." Holy moly. Oh my god. So first of all, Carter61110, congratulations, and thank you so much for that super duper sweet and like such thought out comment. Like, I just liked your comment. I'm gonna try to find a way to reach out to you to let you know that you won the giveaway. There's no way, I don't think there's a way for me to message anybody on YouTube, so I hope you see this video and let me know who you are so I can get your address and then mail out these goodies to you. Oh my god. Alright, so thank you so much. Also, just a reminder, just because you didn't win the giveaway, if you didn't win the giveaway, don't worry, there's going to be more giveaway possibilities when I reach 2,000, 3,000, like all that stuff. I want to keep it fun and like give back to you guys for always watching my videos and commenting and giving feedback. But also there's going to be a $5 off link to your first purchase of Candi skincare. If you've never ordered from Candi skincare and you want to like get it on a affordable dime, just click the link in the description where it says Candi skincare referral link. You'll get $5 off your first purchase. And she has a $10 minimum for free shipping, so it's not like a super high minimum. Anybody can spend $10 that fast. So I'm super excited for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And let me know what you thought about this video. Thank you.